CXAI stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at the CXApp, beautiful 71% increase in price, which I absolutely love. All I'm looking to do is take things up, hopefully. Now, that's right after we started breaking up. Yesterday, if you watch my video, I was like, right, it's a bearish range. If we do reach this supply zone, and that's where we open today, there's a double break, I'm looking to take things down. And guess what? I mean, it just kind of kept melting. What I'm going to do here, though, is just say that I've had some previous receipts with CXAI in the Discord. But generally speaking, after a runner like this, when we open next week, doubling down is going to be my best bet. How do I know this? Well, maybe because I've done 39,000 videos, just maybe not. But yeah, if there's like a bit of a correction and then like a crazy good double break, then and only then I'm looking to take things up. And if the price does not give me my rules, then me buying is just not going to be the case, right? That's how CXAI is going to look like. I'll keep waiting in the meantime. If you want to stay tuned regarding CXAI, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter.